how to add WhatsApp multiple account in iPhone. So if you want to add WhatsApp multiple account in your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your WhatsApp. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go with your settings, which will be on the bottom right. Once you're on your settings, you need to just scroll down, and then if you find a logout option, you can go in logout and then switch to another account. But as you can see that we don't have any option to log out or to switch our account. So what you can do is just simply go back and open up your app store. After that, under search, you need to search for WhatsApp. Now go and update. As you can see that in my case, I have an update. I'll just simply go and update. Once you've updated, now what you need to do is just simply go back, open up your settings. Under settings, scroll down, go with general. Under general, click on iPhone storage. Scroll down until you see WhatsApp. Tap on it. And now you will have an option of offload app. You need to tap on offload app. After offloading WhatsApp, you need to open it again. After opening your WhatsApp, you need to just go with help. Under help, you need to go with help center. Now go with chat. Select individual and group chat. From here, locate your problem and report to WhatsApp, and your problem will be solved. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.